Hello everyone. Now I'm going to explain a Python program to reverse words in a string. So let me explain you what my intention is. So my input string can be hello world. So my expected output string will be world hello. So this is what my intention of the program which I'm trying to explain you. So for that, first I need to take an input string. So as usual, I'm taking an input string with the help of input function, which we can use using our enter the string. So this is a three-step process. First process is convert the string to list of strings. So to do that, you'll take the help of a list of strings. We'll take the help of a function. So input underscore string dot, there is a function called split. It splits wherever it finds a white spaces. So and then it gets stored back into our list underscore string. So this is our first step to convert the string into a list of strings. And then second step is to use reverse function over the list. Use reverse function on the list. So now our list here is list underscore strings. I'm just trying to reverse it, okay, where I'm trying to store it into so not even storing, I'm just putting it aside. So now after reversing the string, my intention is I need that get back again to a string again. So I'm using a join function. So when you use a join function, so it will return you a string. So to use the join function, I'll be using just an empty string dot join. So whatever the list contains with all the strings, we are trying to convert them back into a string again. So this is our reverse string. So for our reference, so we'll try to give our original list of strings or original string. So our original string is input string, and then print the reverse of the string. We are expecting the reverse of the string. So this is the reverse of string. So we are trying to put it in reverse underscore string. So I'm just running it. When I run it, so let me type Python program in Jupyter. So if you could see, original string is Python program in Jupyter. So now my reverse of it is Jupyter in program Python. So if you want to remove them by means of spaces, I can give an empty string with some white space. You can run it again. So where I am giving Python the same input, Python program in Jupyter. So this is our expected output, or this is our original string, which is Python program in Jupyter, the reverse of the words within the string. So it's a three-step process.